Hello, beautiful friends. I am Coach Glennis, the Life Renewal Coach. Today, I want to talk to you about something simple, powerful, and incredibly healing. Healing for your body. My detoxing salad dressing. This is not just a delicious dressing. This is a functional food that supports your liver, supports your digestion, immune system, inflammation response, and your body's natural detox pathways. And before we go any further, I want you to know this. In my previous video on this channel, I shared the full recipe and a step-by-step video on the making of this dressing. You'll also find the complete written recipe right here in the description of this video with the link to the video recipe. So be sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about why this dressing is so powerful. Why detox support matters. Your body was designed to detox. God made it that way. You already have an incredible detox system. Your liver, your gut, your kidneys, and your lymphatic system. But today, we are exposed to more toxins than ever before. Environmental toxins, processed foods, hidden sugars, chronic stress, and over time, this can lead to feeling sluggish, inflamed, bloated, or just not like yourself. That's why I teach my clients to support detox daily through food. And this dressing does exactly that. And a secret, I take it to parties. I don't tell people it's detoxing, but they ask me for the recipe. They love it. Let's look at the ingredients. Okay. First, extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. This is one of the healthiest fats on earth because it reduces inflammation, supports heart and blood vessel health, helps regulate blood sugar, helps your body absorb nutrients. Is that wonderful? Olive oil is truly food as medicine, and this fat is good for you. The other two ingredients are amazing: fresh parsley and fresh cilantro. These herbs are detox powerhouses. Why? They support liver detox enzymes that helps your body get rid of toxins. So it supports immune health and protects blood vessels. And cilantro is specially known for helping the body bind and remove heavy metals. Another ingredient is raw garlic. Garlic is one of nature's most powerful healing foods. It boosts the immune system, has antibacterial and antifungal properties, supports circulation, helps detox heavy metals, again, and reduces inflammation. The next ingredient is fresh lemon or lime juice. I prefer lime juice, the taste. They have similar benefits. They support bile flow. That is the salt in your liver that allows you to clean fat or grease. They support liver detox, reduces inflammation, supports skin and collagen health. And we all need our skin to look better. One more ingredient, Himalayan sea salt, the pink salt. This is not regular salt. It contains trace minerals that support hydration, supports digestion, and helps regulate blood sugar and supports adrenal health. And the last but not least is avocado. Avocado adds healthy fats and fiber to this salad dressing. It helps you feel full longer, supports gut health, reduces inflammation, protects against chronic disease. Look at all the benefits of each of the ingredients. What happens when you combine them all in one delicious recipe? When these ingredients work together, they don't just taste amazing, because they do, but they fight inflammation, support liver detox pathways, strengthen the immune system, improves digestion, supports heart and metabolic health, and provides antimicrobial protection. This is a daily detox support without extreme cleanses or complicated protocols. How do I use this dressing? I use it on salads almost daily, over roasted or steamed vegetables, as a marinade for fish or chicken, or I pour over grain or protein bowls. Sometimes I add cooked beans like black beans or lentils, and I put it in the magic bullet, and I add a tablespoon of the salad dressing, and it changes the taste and it creates a creamy soup. I encourage my clients to use it several times a week, especially when you overload your body with bad foods like during the holidays. So if you haven't tried it, look at the recipe, try it. If this video blessed you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. Remember this, healing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it starts with what you put on your salad. I'll see you on the next video.